So you want slim legs, you want them stretched out, not bulky, beautiful, lean, strong, with tone. So today I'm going to give you my top 3 secrets of a ballerina to get those beautiful, slim, toned legs that you've always dreamed of. Plus, I'm going to give you a bonus, something that you probably never thought about. So let's talk about the very first thing that we need to think about, because if we want to change the shape of our body, 90% of the work, my wonderful lazy dancers and ladies, has to go in what we intake, our foods, our diet. Okay, let's stop right there for a second. I know that you're going to think the diet where I'm not gonna eat anything but salad and carrots. No, I don't want you to think about that, but I want you to think about how good your food can be for your health. So let's take little habits here and there every single day that will improve your overall health and as well the shape of your body. Because let's be honest, if we keep on eating burgers and chips and fried food, it ain't going to do anything good for our body, and it's not gonna slim our legs down, is it? So, how do we replace bad things with good things? Let's start with something simple. White flour with wholemeal flour, or white bread with wholemeal bread. At least with the wholemeal bread, you're gonna have all the good fibers, so that will help out your guts and clean everything out and take all the everything out, you know what I mean. Let's think about stocking up on veggies, whether they're cooked or raw. Put those good rainbows into your diet. That will give you all the vitamins and minerals and goodies that your body really needs every single day. Another really small habit that you can do if you want to slim down a little bit. Think about the water retention, especially for women. It just stays in parts of our body. What does it take for us to get rid of all the excess fluids? Salt. So getting rid of the salt or being very meticulous about where you put it and how you put it in your food, it will help a great deal. My number 2 tip is about how we work out. I know that you maybe have gone for a run, you've done a lot of exercises, you've pumped your body, you really want to get those super toned and shaped muscles, but you're missing out on the stretching. And of course, the stretching is what is going to elongate your muscles. So let's not forget about it. So for instance, let's start with simple calf raises. Rather than just thinking about doing our calf raises up and down, which at some point you will get tired and we're not getting any elongation out of it. Well, what if I told you to do those calf raises on a step, or a pile of books, and get the full height of your calf raise, and then you get the full stretch of your calf on the way down. I know it is going to be a little bit more harder for you to get there. I know it's going to maybe get you tired a little bit sooner than you're used to, but think about it. You're getting the strengthening and you're getting the full stretching of hamstrings, calf, butt, and everything that goes around with it. Or let's think about our plies and our squats. Rather than just thinking about squats and really working on those thighs and getting them bulky, no, we want to strengthen and work on that and then elongate them just like this. So you strengthen, elongate, and make the muscle so much longer and leaner. Let's try to engage on those muscles and let's try to elongate the muscles at the same time. Stretching and strengthening at the same time, just like ballerinas do. We want the 2 fibers to break, get back in together, and break and back to in together. And if we help them out to put them back together nicely and elongated, that's exactly the shape of the body that you're going to get. My tip number 3 is for those of you who sit or stand for too long. After a wee while, our body cannot really take it anymore. Whenever we're sitting for too long, our hips, lower back, and lower abdominals stop working. And The same thing happens when we are standing. Isn't it fascinating what our body can do? So have a look here. Whenever I'm sitting down, I might lose my posture. My back might be rounded, the shoulders are coming forward, my belly is flabby, my hips are turning in, and I'm finding very weird positions. And our muscles, whenever we're sitting for too long, just get a little bit too cramped up and little and crunched up like a dead spider. Think about dead spider, that's exactly what you get. When we're standing for too long, our lower abdominals and core muscles tend to give up a little bit. So we tend to get this ducky position. So our back is arched, we've got this lordosis, it's not supported, the hips are going forward, and tightness happens around our hips and hip flexors. So what we need to do is to stand up and move around. And again, doing simple exercises and stretching every single day, even if it is 5 minutes a day, will help out to elongate those crunched up spider muscles that we've encountered throughout the day. So it's very important for us to open up the hips and elongate and stretch every single day. In this way, you will get those long legs, you will know how to stand. We've been working, probably you've been working with me to strengthen those legs up. But with the stretching, you'll also get rid of all the back pain, the horrible postures. You'll get back your femininity and you'll wear stilettos every single day like there is no tomorrow, with no pain and beautiful legs. Isn't it fascinating how much stretching can gain back that femininity that you've been looking for? Opening our hips, finding that split, elongating the calves, elongating our quads and the overall front of the body and back as well will give you that beautiful posture, that beautiful presence that you've been looking for a long time. And I know you will say, Alicia, I love what you're saying, I love all your tips and I love everything, but I don't know where to start, how to do it, what is the best exercise, what is the best stretch for me to do. But you're in luck, because in April, I will be doing for you a 3-day splits and flexibility workshop where we are going to go through exactly this. I'm going to guide you through every single exercise that you need to do to get not only those beautiful lean legs and stretched and open hips that you've been looking for, but you will be with me every single day to work and tone the body and be together with other fellow adult ballet dancers that want to gain that beautiful flexibility. So you're not going to be alone, and I'm going to keep you accountable, as well as the fellow dancers out there. We're all going to be in the same virtual room together to dance, to elongate, to stretch and feel beautiful, regaining that femininity that maybe we've lost somewhere in the woods, but we'll get it back through stretching. And the link, if you're looking for it, is down in the box below. Come on, register, come with me, come with mama right here to dance, stretch and elongate all those muscles. And of course, you've been waiting for the bonus thing I've been talking about. And well done for you for sticking up until the end to listen to it. So it's something that I love doing. If we want to elongate those muscles, sometimes we forget about how fluids stay, especially for women, stay in our legs, and they make them feel heavy and they make them feel bloated. Ladies, we've all been there. We know exactly how they feel. So my trick and my bonus trick is get those compression socks or tights that you can wear every single day. I used to wear them even during rehearsals. We did stand for long times and I felt that my feet and legs inside the point shoes, standing for long hours, they were feeling heavier and heavier and heavier throughout the day. But with compression socks and elevating your legs every now and then has got that beautiful relieving feeling and slimming feeling that you've been looking for as well. Because sometimes it's not just about how much exercise and stretching we do, it's also giving a little bit of a break to our legs and make them feel relaxed. And if you want to start toning your legs the right way, the ballerina way, my way, I highly recommend you to try this video right here. It's so good for your bum, calves, legs and everything. And it's short too. Let's do it together. Promise me you'll do it.